right here. If you think it's blue, it's green, by the way. And it's called a sinker. I guess it sinks down to the bottom, and a fish tries to eat it. Get it? And yeah, it's called a sinker. Hello, and bye-bye.